Hello. Do you continue to waste money during COVID-19? Before making another unnecessary purchase, ask yourself the following questions. Are you paying your monthly bills on time? Do you have money in an emergency fund, preferably 3 to 6 months? Do you have proper insurance coverage, including but not limited to life insurance, dental insurance, insurance for your business? Do you have unresolved debts and credit issues you need to address? If you have all these things in place, then consider using some of your resources to make a positive change in your community. Whether it's donating to a local organization that has experienced budget cuts due to COVID-19, or whether that's investing in your knowledge to learn how to create programs to serve your community. If you are tired of wasting money and you need help with getting your finances, credit, and debt on track, contact me to learn how I can help you. This is Dr. Andrea Johnson, your Doctor of Finance. Stay encouraged and have a wonderful day.